seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Okay, so wag po kayong padadala basta-basta yung wala kayong masyadong gagawin, kikita. Wala pong ganun. Lahat po ng negosyo tatrabahuin, lahat po ng negosyo gagawin po. Alright, pero dito may bonus dun sa mga taong hindi naman masyado magaling. Okay, so dito walang pinipili. Mapabata, matanda, may ngipin man o wala. Lahat ng kasarian, bakla, tumboy, karabaw, baboy. Alright, lahat po ng kasarian pwede po dito. Alright, so after my presentation pwede po kayong mag-research if legit po ba yung sinasabi ko, legit po ba si Live Good. Alright, yan, legit po ba ang negosyong to. So you have a freedom to research. Andiyan po yung pare ko, si paring Google, search po ninyo. Alright, so before we proceed, so may video po ako ipapanood sa inyo. Ayan, so stop ko muna. So panoorin niyo muna yung video, Alright, so yan, panoorin niyo muna ha, wait a while. Yan, saglit muna, saglit lang po. Hanap, yan, sige po, wait a while.
Trees. You have an enroller? Let's talk.
Sige, panoorin niyo po muna ang bidyong to habang nag-aantay po tayo ng other participants. Alright.
Talk about the Live Good affiliate compensation.
So sa bidyong to, makikita niyo na po ang overview ng company compensation plan, ang overview ng ating business, ang overview ng kitaan. Okay, so panoorin niyo po ito.
Plan. First, everyone has two genealogy trees. You have an enroller tree and a matrix tree. Your enroller tree is everyone you personally enroll, people they enroll, and so on. So everyone you personally enroll goes on your first level in the enroller tree. In the enroller tree, there's no limit as to how many people you can have on each level. So if you personally enroll 20 people, you have 20 people on the first level in your enroller tree. Now, your enroller tree is used to determine three things. One, your rank. Only people in your enroller tree count toward rank. Two, your fast start bonuses. As you advance in rank, you'll get paid fast start bonuses on as many as 10 levels in your enroller tree. And three, your matching bonuses. Your matrix tree includes everyone in your enroller tree and may or may not also include people who may be placed under you by spillover. Now, in the matrix, everyone only has 2 frontline positions. So once those 2 spots are filled, either by people you personally enroll or by spillover from people above you in the matrix, anyone else you enroll will fall under those people. Now, one unique thing we do to distribute spillover to help the maximum amount of people win is, unlike traditional matrix compensation plans that fill left to right, the Live Good matrix fills all the left positions in the level first and then all the rights. So if this is your second level, for example, and you enrolled 4 more people, instead of them going 1, 2, 3, 4 and only helping these 2 people, we place them 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, so all 4 people on this level get spillover before the next person starts filling the right sides. Now, you'll get paid 2.5% of everyone's monthly membership fee in your entire matrix, regardless of who enrolled them, down 12 to 15 levels depending on your rank. Now, on top of getting paid on everyone's matrix, by far the biggest part of the compensation plan is the matching bonuses that allow you to match the entire matrix check of potentially everyone in your entire enroller tree team every single month. First, you'll match 50% of the matrix check of everyone you personally enroll, regardless of where they fall in the matrix. So if you enrolled this person, for example, not only are you already getting paid on them in your matrix and everyone below them, but you're also getting paid on them again because you match their matrix check. If they're making $1,000 a month in their matrix, you match that amount 50%. So you get a $500 match just on that person alone, on top of all of your other matrix commissions. If you enroll 10 people and each of them are earning $400 a month in the matrix, for example, you'd get a $200 match on each one of them. And that's just the beginning. As you achieve silver rank and above, you will qualify to match on even more people in your team. Matching bonuses are calculated by where people fall in your enroller tree, but they're paid on where people fall in your matrix. And I know that may have sounded confusing. I promise it'll make sense in a minute. Here's how it works. In your enroller tree, everyone you personally enroll starts a new enroller tree leg. So if you enroll 10 people, for example, you'd have 10 enroller tree legs. Generations of matching bonuses are calculated on each leg individually. Here's how that works. So let's say you achieve the rank of platinum. That means you qualify to get paid on 2 generations of silver ranked affiliates, 3 generations of gold ranked affiliates, and 4 generations of platinum ranked affiliates. So using our example of you having 10 enroller tree legs, let's just say in this first leg, the first person you enrolled, that person enrolled 2 people. One of those 2 people enrolled a few more. The other one enrolled a few. These people duplicated. Then boom, here on your 4th level, someone achieved the rank of gold. All of this volume down to and outside of this gold ranked member is your first generation of volume. So you would qualify for the first generation silver match 10%, first generation gold match 5%, and first generation platinum match 5%, for a total match of 20% on every single person outside of and down to the first gold ranked affiliate. Now, since a gold affiliate also qualifies for silver generations of matches, all of the volume under this gold affiliate is their first generation of silver and gold volume, which makes it your second generation silver and gold volume, but still your first generation platinum volume because there are no platinums between you and all of this volume. So let's look at how this translates into how you actually get paid these matching only are each of these people in your enroller tree, they're also in your matrix, along with everyone else in your enroller tree, plus any spillover you may have received. So back to the confusing line above. Matching bonuses are calculated by where people fall in your enroller tree, but they're paid on where people fall in your matrix. Told you it would make sense. So you will get 20% of whatever all these people earn in their matrix every single month, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. There's literally no limit as to how many people you can match, how much you can earn in matching bonuses, or how many times you can get paid on the same volume. Wait, what? Yeah, check this out. Look at this person on your 14th level in your matrix. You're already getting paid on them in your matrix. Plus, you match this person's matrix that also has this person in it. This person's matrix, who also has this person in it. This person's matrix, 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 and this person's matrix, which means you are literally getting paid on this one person 11 times. Yeah, the matching bonuses are huge. And as if that weren't enough, we also put another 2.5% of every dollar that comes into the entire company into bonus pools for diamonds and crown diamond leaders. This includes revenues from membership payments, both monthly and yearly, affiliate sign-up fees, and all product purchases. So if the company does 10 million in total revenue for the month, for example, that means $200,000 goes into the diamond pool and $50,000 goes into the crown diamond pool. So if there were 50 diamonds in the company, for example, each one would get a $4,000 monthly bonus on top of all other parts of the compensation plan. Yeah, it's big. So now that you know how you get paid, what's the strategy to build? Simple. Enroll people. That's it. The more people you enroll, the more duplication you'll see, the more matching bonuses you'll earn on, and the more money you'll make. You never know who's the next diamond in your organization or where they're going to come from. Just keep sharing. That's it. Let's rock. See you at the top.
All right, ayan, let's rock. See you at the top. Ayan, wala pong ibang strategy para po magkaroon ng malaking income. Ang strategy po na wala pong ibang strategy, okay? So ang dapat lang natin gawin, just share the business, share the link. I-share mo dun sa kakilala mo, sa mga friends mo, sa mga stranger mong mga friend. Ay, stranger na friend, ano yun? Mga stranger, yan, pwede mong i-share yan. Okay? So, lahat po ng pwede mong sharean, pwede mong pong i-share. Alright? Ayan, so let's continue, no? Ayan, so si Livegood po, officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. Livegood is a US-based direct sales company na nakafocus in the wellness and digital service industry. Alright, so ang ating pong Livegood Fulfillment Center located in 1201 Jupiter Park, DR Unit 5, Jupiter FL 33458. Ayan, if you want to see our warehouse, if you want to see our office, you can go to that location sa US po yan. Alright, so si Livegood po is a club membership that pays. Yan. So dito po, you can earn money as a club member of whether or not you refer other members to the program. So in short, may invite ka or wala, pwede kang kumita, but I'm not saying na wala kang gagawin. Magkaiba po ang tunog ng walang invite sa walang gagawin. Alright? So dito, meron tayong gagawin. Pero, pwede kang kumita kahit wala kang invite. Okay? Umattend ka ng training, umattend ka ng Zoom, umattend ka ng business presentation. Huwag ka mag-invite. Gawin mo, isend mo lang yung link. I-share mo lang ang negosyo. Kung takot ka mag-invite, share the business. Okay? I-chika mo. I-marites mo dun sa kakilala mo. Kung takot ka mag-invite, i-marites mo lang. Okay, ikwento mo lang. Alright? Ayan, so si Livegood po, unlike most home business opportunity, this is not about overpriced product but about saving people money on health product. Alright, so if you have a passion for health and wellness, this is for you. Yes, para sa'yo. Ikaw po na nanonood. If you have a passion for helping people, wow, this is for you. Kagaya ko, I have a passion for helping people. Okay? Kaya tayo nag-network, kaya tayo na isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa network marketing because network marketing as a people building business. So, helping business. Kaya nagustuhan ko ang network marketing kasi likas po sa akin. Gusto ko po talagang makatulong sa maraming tao tsaka gusto ko rin po makapagpabago ng buhay ng tao. Okay, nakita ko po yan dito sa pag-network at nakita ko lalong-lalo na sa LiveGood kasi dito kay DMW sa Dreammakers Worldwide talaga yung mga coaches, mga leaders nagtutulungan. Kaya you are in the right opportunity. You are in the right company. You are in the right team. Even ako, 'di ba? Kaya nag-share tayo, nag-speaker tayo dito. Wow, para makapag-inspire, makapag-share sa maraming tao. Anyways, if you are not looking for a get rich quick scheme para sa iyo to. Yes, para sa iyo to. Okay, kung hindi ka naghahanap ng, mabilisang instant. Kaya yung iba na-scam kasi mahilig sa instant. Walang instant sa mundo. All right? So you have 6 reasons why you're gonna join to live good. Number 1, amazing product. Number 2, incredible prices. Ang mumura po, pang warehouse po ang mga prices. No auto shipping. Okay, no monthly products to buy. Hindi ka na po dito pepersahin, hindi na po auto deduct. Okay, yung kikitain mo para lang bumili ng product. 90-day money back guarantee if hindi mo nagustuhan ng product. So pwede mong ibalik 90 days without questioning. Ibabalik sa iyo yung perang pinambili mo. At ang matindi, si Live Good po is number 1 business to join. Wow! Bakit ko nasabi? Kasi po sa Top Direct Selling Compensation Plan, Fall 2023, nagkakaroon po yan ng voting line. Alright, kaya yung mga hindi pa nakapag-vote, mag-vote na po tayo. Ayan, so si Live Good po nag-top 5 po sa buong mundo. Tapos, naging top 2 sa buong mundo. At nung nakaraan lang po, first quarter of the year, top 1 po si Live Good. Ngayon po, running to top 1 na naman po si Live Good. Kaya po, nasa tamang kumpanya ka, alright? Baka mamaya may magtanong, hey coach, kung totoo si Live Good, saan man yung legalities? Patingin po ako ng legalities. So, para po sa akin, common sense na lang po. Hindi po tayo makakasama dyan kung hindi po tayo legal. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, legal po ang kumpanya. Ayan, so what is our mission? Our mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Alright, so in short, ang mission po natin makatulong na maging healthy po ang mga members, mga people, at syempre maging healthy din po ang bulsa. Ayan. Kasi marami po sa labas, healthy ka nga, unhealthy naman ang bulsa. Ubus ang, nasa bulsa. Alright. So this is our company owners. So when it comes sa company, importante po yung mga company owners. Kung maasahan ba sila? Totoo ba sila? May puso po ba sila sa mga tao? Okay? But in my research, yung mga taong to, sobrang maaasahan. They are very transparent. They are very hands-on sa negosyo at may puso sa mga distributor. Alright? Pag nakikita nilang umaangat ka, nakikita nilang kahit anong bansa ka pa, pag nakikita ka nilang nag-diamond ka, yung company owner natin sina-shoutout talaga. May puso sa tao. Alright? Ayan. So, yung ating CEO, Ben Glensky, yung ating Director of Product Development, Ryan Goodkin, yung ating Director of Product Education, so Lisa Goodkin, ang ating Director of Network Marketing, Noder Kazan. Alam nyo po, yung mga company owners na to, meron po silang kanya-kanyang Zoom. Pwede po kayong umattend. If you want some question regarding sa kanila, okay, pwede po kayong umattend. May mga Zoom po yan. Alright. So we have 20 life-changing product. Okay, so we have highest quality product, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Ang masarap po sa mga product natin, made in the USA. Alam mo pag sinabing USA, quality. Alright, certified by the GMP and USDA. Okay, so approved, lab-tested for purity and potency. At ang masarap, sabi ko nga, 90-day money-back guarantee. Saan ka makakahanap ng kumpanyang ganito? Diba? Live Good lang. Wow. Paki-comment nga po dyan ng Live Good lang sa Kalam. Alright. Ayan. Paki-comment po, inom lang ako tubig. Sige nga po, paki-comment po, Live Good lang sa Kalam. Sa mga live po, na mga nagla-live po dyan, comment po dyan ng Live Good lang sa Kalam. Alright. So we have our CBD pain relief cream sa mga may arthritis, pwede po yan, ipahid mo lang, mas maganda po yan sa pakiramdam. We have our collagen sa mga concern po ng balat, maganda po yan. Gustong bumata-bata, okay, kagaya ko, medyo Maaga lang nabulok pero madadali din po ng collagen to. Alright. So we have Energen Focus Patches. Pag hindi ka makapag-focus sa kanya, sa Live Good po ha, hindi po sa kanya ha, baka ibang sa kanya yung naisip mo. Sa Live Good, hindi ka makapag-focus, just put the focus patches, makakapag-focus ka. Sleep patches, hindi ka makatulog, kakaisip sa kanya. Alright. Kakaroon ka ng tawag dito. Ang tawag dun yung hindi ka makatulog, basta yun na yun. Alright. Yan, maganda po yan. Relax po talaga pagkatulog mo. Alright. Ang ganda na nagagamit ko din po ito, yung mga patches natin. Ayan. Thank you so much sa mga nagko-comment dyan. To Saldi Holyo, Raquelin Ortizano. Wow. Riz Siligan, Jomar Tabuan. Wow. Live good lang sa kalam. Yan. Thank you so much sa mga nagko-comment dyan. Ano? Anyways, yan. Ang masarap po sa mga product natin, we have this certificate of analysis. Sa ibang kumpanya, hindi nila nilalabas to. Why? They are conservative with sa mga ingredients na ginagamit nila, baka may mga chemicals. Pero si Live Good, 100%, 101% organic lahat ng product. Okay? Okay, makikita nyo po dyan yung result ng bawat certificate na may mga analysis po yan, lahat ng product natin. Alright? Ayan. Tapos ang masarap po, sabi ko nga GMP approved. Pag sinabi mong GMP approved, si GMP po sobrang sobrang mabusisi. Kasi chine-check yung machinery, processing, sanitary, maintenance, personal location. Ngayon, pag may isa dyan na hindi nila nagustuhan, automatic yan, ikis yung lahat ng product nyo. Alright, pero sa Live Good, lahat po approved by the GMP. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Ayan, caffeine free, cruelty free, certified gluten free. O saan kanyan? Soy free, third party lab tested, vegan 100%, GMP approved, keto friendly, non-GMO verified, nut free, USDA organic. Wala ka nang hanapin sa mga product natin. All in na po, all out na po. Ang kailangan mo na lang po bumili ng product. Alright. Wow. Daming palakpak oh. So we have this wellness for all. Men's health, skincare, immunity, nutrition, body cleansing, weight management, women's health, anti-aging, energy. Lahat po ng product andito na. Lahat ng hanapin mo nandito na. Alright. At ang masarap po dito, hindi lang nalagay dito yung ating mga essential oils. Yung po tayong gummy for children, healthy. Instead na bumili ng mga candies, dito na lang. Essential oil, maganda po sa mentality. Alright. Ayan, pag nalanghap mo ay ang sarap talaga. Try nyo na po. Alright. So paano po tayo makakapag-order ng product? You can order as consumer or member. Consumer pay retail low prices, member pay lower prices. If you are member, syempre, you save up to 75% compared to the product in the other network marketing companies. Bakit ko nasabi? Okay, mamaya po itatakil down natin. At ang masarap po kay Live Good. Live Good is available in 200 countries nationwide, worldwide. Bansa ka, aabot sa iyo ang product mo, order ka lang. Basta make sure na yung address na nilagay mo tama. Kasi pag mali ang address mo, kahit ka pa magantay, hindi talaga yan darating yung product mo. Make sure tama ang location mo, tama ang address mo. Alright? Ayan. So, according to Nodder, Director of Network Marketing, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of compensation plan can get rich are over. So, tinatapos na po yan ni Live Good. Yung mga palaging top earner, yung mga palaging nauna, yung kumikita, dito kay Live Good, tinatapos. Lahat po dito pwedeng kumita. Okay? Tapos kung if you're familiar with this story, Goliath and David, tayo po si David, si Goliath, yung mga other Gojing MLMs, yung mga overpriced yung product. Tayo po, iniikis na po natin yan. Kasi yung mga product po natin is very affordable and very manufacturing price. Kung mapapansin nyo po yung ating CBD oil, isang patak nyo lang po yan. Wow! Happiness overload. Di ba? Kung may Diwata Pares, may happiness overload. Alright! Ayan, so pampano din po yan. So mabibili po dito kay Live Good ng $18. Sa ibang company, yung Young Living, mabibili siya ng $79.95. So magkano na save natin? You save 77%. Si Super Greens, $18 sa Live Good. Sa Athletic Greens ng iba, $99.99. Magkano na save mo? $81. Yung collagen peptides, $27. Sa iba, $79. Yung sleep patches, $14.95. Sa iba, $39.95. Ngayon may mga pilosopo magdadag saan Siyempre, mura yan sa kanila kasi sa ibang bansa, sa US yan. Dito sa Pilipinas, mahal na yan, may shipping fee. Oh, di ba? Sige, sabihin natin, dagdagan natin $20 for shipping fee. O yung 18, magkano? 38. O magkano pa rin na-save mo? Malaki pa rin na-save mo. Di ba? Hindi ako galit. Nagpapaliwanag lang. Alright. So, comparison from retail to member price. So, if you're member, you can, if you are not member, you can buy as low as 17.95 ang ating multivitamins. If you are member, you can buy as low as 9.95. Ganun po siya kamura. Alright. We have coffee. We have protein. Ayan, yung mga mahilig mag-gym, gusto magpalaki ng muscle, katawan. Maganda to. Ang masarap sa protein natin, this is plant-based. Ano po? Plant-based. Ayan, nakabase po tayo sa mga plant. Alright. So, sabi nga dito, inom muna tayo tubig, ano? Alright, sabi dito, if you don't evolve, you dissolve. You evolve or you evaporate. Okay, pag hindi ka sumabay, mapapag-iwanan ka. Sabi pa nga ng presidente ng Nokia, nakita ko po sa Facebook, nabasa ko. Sabi niya, wala naman kaming kasalanan. Wala naman kaming mali. Hindi lang kami nakasabay sa uso. Ngayon, pag hindi ka nakasabay, mapapag-iwanan ka. Like dati, newspaper, radio, TV, laptop, ngayon nasa iPhone. O, sabi niyan, barter dati, market, supermarket, ngayon Amazon na. Lahat nasa social media. Ginakain na nga cellphone ng mga bata. Kaka-order sa Lazada, Shopee. Kanina nagmi-meeting kami, ang daming shopping dumarating sa hub namin. Di ba? Sa apartment, daming Shopee. Di ba? Nasa online na lahat, kahit hindi na lumabas. Like networking. Sa network marketing, nag-i-evolve din yan. Kaya kailangan mong sumabay. Like old multi-level system. Ang hirap. Binary. Di ba? Multiple heads. 15 heads, 30 heads, 31 heads, 150 heads. I don't know kung ilang heads. Di ba? 2 heads sa mga lalaki. Alright. Hybrid. One account. Pero naka-multi-hybrid yung binary. Naabutan ko to. Ngayon yung pinakabago. Alam niyo po kung ano. Affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Pinakabago. Subscription na nagbabayad sa mga distributor. At good thing, palakpakan mo ang sarili mo na uma-attend ka dito kasi ang ipipresent ko po sa inyo, this is the newly upgraded, innovated system, subscription that paid. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Kasi po, si Livegood po, ang concept is subscription. Hello, andyan pa kayo? Alright, ako po, kinaikilabutan po yung tumitinding, nagugusbumps po ako kasi po ever since nag-network po ako, I've been in the industry for the mag-isang dekada na po tayo. Okay, galing sa binary, one left, one right, pairing. Okay? Ayan. 'Di ba? Even ako kinikilabutan. Grabe po si Livegood, grabe po mag-transform ng buhay. Subscription. Ito na po yung makabago. Okay? In-apply po ni Livegood. Ngayon po, okay, sa mga hindi po nakakalam sa subscription, ang subscription po, business model is a recurring revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, yearly fee in exchange for your product or services. Take note, pag nagbabayad ka ng weekly, monthly, yearly, for exchange of product and services, that is subscription. Sa madaling salita, lahat ng binabayaran mo para makapag-avail ka, that is subscription. So anong importansya? Number 1, nai-enjoy mo ang benefits ng subscription. Number 2, nag-i-increase po siya ng loyalty. Alright? So ang advantage naman, bumababa po ang mga presyo ng mga bilihin once you are in a subscription company. Kaya po, kung mapapansin niyo, yung mga product natin, sobrang manufacturing price. Why? Kasi subscription po ang company natin. Alright. Kung mapapansin niyo po, ito po yung mga popular club membership. So, ang mga tao dito, nagbabayad po sila ng club membership for exchange of services. Amazon Prime, Netflix, para makapanood ka ng Netflix. Si Sam's Club, si Costco, para makabili ka ng mga mumurahin, mga product kay Costco. Si Disney Plus, para makapanood ka ng mga Avengers, na mga Justice League, na mga Disney. Okay? Diyan. Yun po yung binabayaran nila. Alright? Pero hindi po tayo affiliated. They are used for example. All right? So, ayan, ito po, nagbabayad ka po monthly pero hindi ka naman po binabayaran. Si Netflix, Sam's Club, Amazon, Costco, Disney Plus, nagbabayad ka niyan every single month pero hindi ka binabayaran. Pero si Live Good, every time nagbabayad ka dito, every time may tao sa baba mo, kikita ka po. Alright, wag po kayong excited. Mamaya po, explain ko isa-isa paano kayo kikita. Yung iba excited na mag-join. Mamaya po. Alright? Kalma lang. Sit back and relax. Tapos sabayan mo ng kape. Oh, di ba? Sabayan mo. Alright. So yan, ito mga example si Jim, yan. So yan, nagbabayad ka monthly. Mga example po yan. Netflix. O pakita ko sa inyo gaano ka totoo yung sinasabi ko na yung subscription company papalubo. Yung subscription company, ito na yung makabago ngayon. Oh, si Netflix. Just imagine the year 2022, pandemic. Lahat ng kumpanya halos magsara, halos magbagsakan na. 'Di ba? Pero si Netflix, ang revenue papalubo. Ang revenue papataas. Papalaki ang commission, papalaki ang kita ng Netflix. Kasi ang mga bahay nagmistulang mga sinihan, bumibili ng TV, sige, Netflix na all day, all night. All right. Ngayon, para po tayo magkaroon ng 1,000 participants, binabayaran po ito ni Coach Fernan. 'Di ba? Okay, kaya i-maximize nyo, i-invite nyo lahat ng team nyo. Si Amazon Prime, yan, si Costco, lalo na to. 'Di ba? Club membership din po ito. Ayan. Tapos every month, nagre-renew yan sila para makabil na naman ng mga discounted. Alright? So, yun po yung mga subscription. So, kung hindi mo masyadong naunawaan, internet, gumagamit ka. That is subscription. Wi-Fi, internet, Wi-Fi. Pareho lang. Kuryente, nagbabayad ka. Yes, subscription yan. Tubig, nagbabayad ka. Yes, subscription yan. Ang tanong, every time nagbabayad ka ng tubig, kuryente, Wi-Fi, kumikita ka ba hindi? Answer is no, hindi ka kumikita. 'Di ba? Pero pinagkakakitaan ka nila. Oh, ngayon, maghanap ka ng negosyo na pwede kang nagbabayad ka pero kumikita ka. Ito na 'yon, pinipresenta ko na. All right? So yan, nandito na po tayo sa kitaan. Ang tanong, are we all excited na kumita dito kay Libot? Taas po ng kamay ang mga excited. Woohoo! Mga excited dyan, taas ang kamay. Woohoo! Ayan, so would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? If you are interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of this presentation. Labas po dyan lahat po ng mukhang pera. Alright, ako po mukhang pera. Ayan, yung mga ayaw po sa pera, yung mga ayaw ng pera, ambina, sa akin na. Ayan, yung mga mukhang pera, dami. Oy, sorry for the word hindi po sa hindi po sa pagiging hipokrito pero we need money. All right? Kailangan po natin ng pera. Sabi pa nga yung iba ginagamit na tawag dito, sabi pa nga 'di ba? Ang pera para daw yung oxygen. Alam mo yung oxygen, pag walang oxygen na dumadaloy sa katawan mo, ang nangyayari sa iyo, namamatay. 'Di ba? Pero pag sinabing walang pera, hindi naman sa ganun. Pero, pag wala kang pera, kahit buhay ka pa, di ba kahit malusog ka, walang pera sa dumadaloy sa palad mo, walang pera sa bulsa mo, kahit malusog ka bro, nagkakasakit ka, tignan mo, nagkakalagnat ka, nagkaka-arthritis ka, naha-high blood ka, pag walang pera. O, di ba napansin mo? Di ba? Wala kang pera, high blood ka. Hindi ka mahawakan, untouchable ka. 'Di ba? Gusto mo nang magpakalayo-layo, gusto mo nang magmuni-muni, gusto mo mag-isip-isip kasi walang pera. O, 'di ba? O, ngayon, ang problema mo sa pera, susolusyonan natin 'yan. Pakinggan mo 'to kasi nandito na tayo sa second part. O, tingnan mo, yung may mga arthritis, bigyan mo ng pera, maya-maya nasa mall na 'yan. Maya-maya nandun na 'yan, kumakain ng mga matataba, yung mga baboy. Oh, di ba? Tama-tama. Which is totoo naman. Alright? So, dito po kay Live Good, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Ito po ang pinakabago, kinababaliwan, sobrang trending ngayon. Alright? Ayan, kung excited ka na, kumakain na ng bulalo. Papaita. May arthritis, binigyan mo ng 10,000, ano? Nasa na, Paris overload na. Alright. Yan, natutuwa ako eh. Yeah. Actually, good vibes lang po. Enjoy lang natin. Okay? Just feel the positivity. Just feel the exciting. Just feel the moment. Ayan, enjoy nyo lang. Yan. Tumawa din kayo kahit minsan, pag uwi, reklamo. Sabi ni partner Philip, Coach Philip. Pag uwi, reklamo daw. Ayan. Anyways, ayan. So, ang tanong, Coach, magkano po ba puhunan? Excited na po akong mag-join. Paano mag-join? Okay, magkano ba puhunan? So dito po, hindi mo kailangan ng 10,000. Kung magtayo ka ng sari-sari store, kailangan mo ng 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. O magtayo ka, mag-franchise, magkano franchise fee? O, di ba magkano? O, dito, hindi mo na kailangan ng 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 1 million, 2 million para magsimula sa negosyo. All you need to do, okay, all you need to have is $49.95. Coach, magkano yan sa peso? That is 2,950 pesos. Ganun lang po kamura. Magninegosyo na tayo. May negosyo ka na. Then, magkano subscription, Coach? 9.95, 590 pesos. Ganun lang kamura. Coach, ano makukuha ko? Ang makukuha nyo po, what do I get with 49.95? Number 1, you access to the membership club. In short, okay, magkakaroon ka dito ng account. May password username, which is ikaw lang po makaka-open. Yung password username mo, yun yung gagamitin po para makapasok sa portal ng LiveGood. You have digital marketing product. So you have website, you have link to website, pwede mong gamitin yan pang post. Then you can participate in the compensation plan. We have 8 weeks turn. Ngayon, yung 8 weeks turn, pili ka na lang doon kung ano yung gusto mong trabahuin at gusto mong palaguin, panalo. $49.95. Alright? So ito yung sinasabi kong mga website. You have retail site, you have Powerline landing page, you have corporate site, you have Super Reds landing page, you have Super Green. Pwede mong gamitin ito pang promote sa Facebook account mo. Alright? So, alam mo kapag magpagawa ka ng ganito, ang mahal po. Yung kapatid ko, asawa niya po is computer programmer. License po siyang computer programmer. So, tinanong ko siya magkano pagpagawa ng ganito. Sabi niya, para daw ako makapagpagawa ng ganitong mga website, kailangan mo ng 50,000 maliit po. Ng 50,000 po pinakamaliit dyan. So dito, sa halagang 2,950 mo, you have this all website. Magagamit mo yan. Alright? Ayan. Tapos nandito na po tayo sa compensation plan. So, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and force matrix. Infinite wide, 10 levels deep. Yung matrix, force matrix. So, hindi na ako magde-decide kung saan pilalagay ang tao. Hindi din ikaw. Hindi din si downline. Hindi din si crossline. Hindi si upline. Kundi ang system na bahala. But the good thing of this system, fair po siya. Lahat po malalagyan ng tao. Lahat po pwedeng kumita. Alright? So, we have these 7 ways to earn. Number 1, weekly fast start. Retail commission, matching bonus, matrix commission, influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, diamond crown bonus pool. Lahat po yan matitikman mo. Wow, masarap po yan. Lahat po yan mararamdaman mo. Lahat po yan malalasap mo. Alright, so simulan na po natin. Ang tanong, excited ka na ba? Ayan, excited ka na po ba? Alright. Kung excited ka na, simula tayo sa weekly fast start bonus. Sa weekly fast start po, sa lahat po ng mga partners, sobrang bilis lang po nitong unawain. Lahat po ng ma-refer mo, lahat po ng mai-invite mo na magbabayad din ng $49.95, which is 2,950. Bawat isa po, kikita ka po ng $25. So, makadalawa ka, you have $50, bawi ka na sa puhunan mo. Makaapat ka, may another $50 ka. So you have $100. So bawi ka na, kumita ka pa. Ang matindi, nakatulong ka pa. Ganun lang po. Tapos ang masarap po, yung weekly fast start, ano po yung uniqueness ni LiveGood? Kasi si weekly fast start, okay, yung iba po, once ka lang kikita. Pero dito kay LiveGood, you will earn up to 10 levels deep, depende po sa rank mo. Alright? Coach, may mga rank. Akala ko ba 2,950 lang puhunan? Sa ibang kumpanya may binabayaran pa para mag-rank up. Dito po wala ka na pong babayaran. Gagawin nyo lang po, i-hit nyo lang po yung criteria dyan. May criteria lang po. Wala ka nang ibang ilalabas. Okay? Besides sa subscription mo. Wala na po. So, if you're unranked, kikita ka $25. If you are bronze, direct ng direct mo, may income ka $5. Silver, okay, 4th level, direct mo up to 4th level, kikita ka. Gold, up to 6th level. Platinum, up to 8th level. Diamond, up to 10th levels. Alright, malalim na po yan. Malaki po ang kikitain nyo. So, coach, paano ba mag-bronze? Nako, ang bronze dito, sobrang dali lang. You need to do, at least you have to direct. Member mo, mama, papa mo, bronze ka na. Alright, member mo, kapatid mo, friend mo, bronze ka na. Ang matindi, si bronze, up to 2nd level na po yung benefits. Ibig sabihin, example, ikaw to, nag-invite yung invite mo. Bawat invite ng invite mo, you have $5. That is 2nd level. Alright. So si silver, we have 3 criteria para maging silver. Number 1, at least you have 20 direct. Number 2, at least you have 10 direct plus team of 20, silver ka na. Pangatlo po, at least you have 3 bronze leader plus team of 20, silver ka na. Ang benefits up to 4th level, $25. Bawat direct may $5. Sa bawat direct ng baba niyan, $2.5. Alright, silver ka na. Gold, up to 6th level benefits. Okay, paano mag-gold? You have 3 criteria. 3 criteria. Pera, money. Alright, 3 criteria again. So, at least you have 30 direct plus team of 100, gold ka na. Pangalawa po, at least you have 3 silver leader plus team of 100, so gold ka na. Pangatlo po, at least you have 4 direct na may 30 plus 10, team of 100, gold ka na. Ganun lang po kabilis. Alright, platinum, up to 8th level. So 3 criteria again. Number 1, 100 plus direct plus team of 500, platinum ka na. Pangalawa, at least you have 3 gold plus team of 500, platinum ka na. Pangatlo po, at least you have 4 direct na may tag 150 plus 50 team of 500, platinum ka na. Ganun lang kabilis. 'Di ba? Ang bilis lang ano? Diamond up to 10th levels. Ayan, diamond. At least you have 3 direct, platinum plus team of 2,500, diamond ka na. Kung hindi kaya dito sa 5 direct, 500, team up 2,500, diamond ka na. Alright, nabusog ako. Nabusog ako dito sa kitaan natin. Nabusog ba kayo? Alright. So, yan, dito na tayo. Crown Diamond, at least you have 50,000 members. So, diamond ka na. Ganun lang po siya. Okay, next, this is the 2x15 matrix. Ayan. So, yung 2x15 matrix, ito na po yung sinasabi ko dito na kahit wala po kayong invite, kita kayo. Pero I'm not tolerating na wag kayo mag-invite. Mas maganda, mag-invite po kayo. Kasi pag may invite kayo, mas kikita kayo ng malaki. Just imagine na kahit walang invite, kumikita. Paano pa pag mag-invite ka? Mas kikita ka ng malaki. So, this is the matrix. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo yung mga blue na tao dyan. Ganyan po, malalagay po tayo dyan. From left to right, malalagyan po yan. Okay? Pero yung primary po na mag-spill over sa inyo, yung direct sponsor mo. Bawat tao po na nasa baba mo, you have $25. 0.25 cent pala. 0.25 cent. Alright? Ayan. So, if you are unranked, up to level 12. If you are bronze, silver, yan. Level 13, gold, platinum, 14th level. Okay, level 14. Diamond, level 15. So, $2,047 sa mga unranked. So, $4,085 sa mga bronze. $8,191 sa mga gold and platinum. 16,383 for diamond. Pag napuno nyo po yung matrix. Alright, so yan. Worth it po ba ang magantay ng matrix? So, ganito lang po yung babayaran mo. So, kung nag 1 year ka, 6,000 lang. 20,000 for 3 years. 33,000 for 5 years. Okay, so baka dyan, kumikita ka na ng $2,047. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga partners, tiisan nyo po, mag-subscribe po kayo. Okay, tiisan nyo po. Kasi po, baka mamaya po, yung binabayad mo, si company na pala nagbabayad. You have self-paying mechanism. Alright? Ayan. So, yun po yung matching bonus. Ay, yun po yung matrix bonus. Matrix commission. Alright? So, if you have some question, mamaya po, pwede nating i-topic yan. Pwede kayong magtanong sa akin. Mamaya. So, yan. Next is the matching bonus. Ito po yung pinaka nakaka-excite po. Okay? Dito po ako na-excite, dito po ako nabaliw kasi my previous company, yung matching bonus, you need 1 left, 1 right pairing, 1 left, 1 right pairing. Dito po, hindi mo na kailangan ng 1 left, 1 right pairing. Ang kailangan mo dito sa lahat po ng mga partners, mag-direct. Lahat po ng direct mo, you have 50%. Lahat po ng direct mo, 50% bawat isa. Okay, kung magkano ang kikitain nila sa matrix, 50% sa'yo. For example, Yung isa mong direct kumita $1,000, magkano 50%? You have $500. Yung isa $500, magkano 50%? You have $250. Yung isa kumita ng $1,000, ay $1,100. You have $50. Yung isa $200, you have $100. Infinite wide. Kaya pag marami kang direct, mas malaki ang kikitain mo. Alright, ganun po siya. Bibilangin ni Matrix, bibilangin ni Live Good, ibibigay sa iyo by the first week of the month. Wow! Okay, kaya nung nakarang Thursday, daming naka-receive dito. Alright. So for example, coach, kung i-member ko yung mga kamag-anak ko, pwede ba yun? Yes, pwede. Example, member mo yung mama at papa mo, pwede. Kapatid mo, pwede. Lahat. Bayad ka lang Matrix. Bayad ka lang subscription, pwede na yun. Sabihin natin, yung isa, yung dalawa mong family member, ikaw, bronze ka na yan. Kumita ka ng 4,095. Dalawang family member, tag 2,047, magkano? 4,095 na naman. Yung matching bonus mo, magkano? $2,047. O sa simpleng pamilya, o sa pamilya mo, sabihin natin, kumikita kayo $10,238 magkano? So, 573,328 monthly income, month after month after month after month after month. 1,111 yan kitain mo. Bumaba man, konti lang, pero mostly tumataas. Ganun po, dito po ako nag-set. Paano coach? Kung sinipagan ko pa coach, pwede ba yun? Coach, kung mag-invite pa ako coach, kasi parang ang ganda talaga eh. Pwede ba yun? Yes. Sabihin natin, nag-direct ka 20 katao. Hello? 20 katao in-invite mo. Kumikita lang yan, mga nag-aantay lang, mga matrix waiters. Kumita ng $2,047. Magkano sa'yo? 50%, 1,023. 20 times 1,023, magkano? $20,475 US dollar. If you convert yan in Philippine peso, that is 1.1 million pesos month after month after month after month. Hindi ka ba kinikilabutan doon? Hindi ka nababaliw? Hindi ka ba nababaliw doon? Kung sa labas, hindi mo to kikitain. Imagine mo kung isa kang, sorry po sa lahat, nanggigigil lang po ako. Kasi gusto ko pong ma-input talaga sa inyo eh. Nanggigigil po ako, sabi ko, dapat maunawaan nyo to. Baka ito na yung opportunity na hinahanap mo. Baka ito na yung opportunity na makapagpabago ng buhay mo. Alright? Sabihin mo kung magtatrabaho ka sa labas, kumikita ka sa labas ng 30,000, 40,000. Kwento lang ako 1.146600 million. Yan po. I-divide mo sa 30,000, ilang buwan mo yung pagtatrabahoan sa labas? Kailangan ng 38 months bago mo kitain ng 1 milyon. Dito kay Livegood, pwede mong kito ng 1 buwan lang. 'Di ba? Pag-isipan mo ng maigi. Okay? Ito na yung pinaka-the best company. Ito na yung pinaka-the best. Ang matindi, walang katapusan, infinite wide. Ang matindi, ikaw pa magdi-decide kung magkano ang gusto mong kitain dito. 'Di ba? Ito matindi. Coach, pwede ba akong mas tindihan ko pa? Yes, pwede. 30 direct. Kumikita 6,000 mga bronze. Wow. 3,000 sa'yo, 50%. 30 times 3,000, magkano? $90,000. Magkano yan? 5 million. Month after month after month after month after month. Come on. Nakikita niyo po ba? 5 million. 'Di ba? Sa labas, malabo. Kay Livegood, klarong-klaro. Blueprint nandyan na. Sabihin natin, hindi mo na lang kinita ang 5 million sa isang buwan. 2 million na lang. Baka makabili ka Rolex. Baka makabili ka ng Mustang. Baka makabili ka ng bahay, house and lot. 'Di ba? Yung mga nangangarap pagkabahay, baka ito na yun. Trabahuin mo this year. Next year, bili ka bahay mo. Wala kang kotse, trabahuin mo this year. Next year, bili ka kotse. Mahilig ka sa alahas. Trabahuin mo this year. Next year, bili ka ng mga alahas. Mahilig ka sa travel. Hindi ka pa nakapag-travel. Next year, trabahuin mo this year. Next year, may 5 million ka, buwan-buwan. Lahat yan, easy. Tama. Hindi ka pa nakasakay ng eroplano. Trabahuin mo. Sakay kay plano. Balikan. 'Di ba? Punta ka ng Paris, magkape ka. Uwi ka kaagad ng Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Ganun. Sana nakikita nyo. Ayan. So, coach, pwede bang damihan ko pa? Yes. Nabaliw ka na. Buwang ka na. Pwede mong damihan. 100 solid direct. 16,000. 50%, 8,000. 100 times 8,191 US dollar. That is $819,175. Magkano yan in peso? That is 45 million month after month after month after month. Woo! Di ba? Kahit ako nagugusbams ako eh. Na-imagine mo na lang, sabihin natin 873,000. Ipamigay mo sa buong sa buong community nyo, sa buong barangay nyo, ipamigay mo. Tagda 2,000, 5,000, 5 million, i-donate mo sa charity. 10 million, ibigay mo sa lahat ng angkan mo. Para walang masabi. Kasi may mga angkan na nasabi na kumita lang, mayabang na. O pamigyan mo ng tag-1 milyon. O sabihin natin, bigyan mo tag sa 10,000 lahat ng angkan mo from kahit hindi mo kilala. 30 million, iwaldas mo. Sabihin natin, waldas mo yung 30 million. Inegosyo mo, iwaldas mo. Bahala ka. Live life to the fullest. O ngayon, problema mo pera next month. May pera ka na naman. Problema mo na naman yan. Ganun ang magiging problema natin dito kay Live Good. Kaya sana nakikita nyo, saan ba aabot ang 2,950 pesos mo? Di ba? Ito ang aabutin ng 2,950 mo. Ayan, ganito po siya kaganda. Coach, possible po ba yung 100 direct? Yes. Ayan o, tignan mo. Yung mga direct, sobrang dami. 1,000, 1,600, 500. Si Coach Fernan, 500 plus, hindi na yan updated. I think 600 na ngayon. Di ba? Possible. At ang matindi, generational pa. From up to 5 generation yung kikitain mo. Direct mo up to 5 generation na mga nagra-rank up from silver, gold, platinum, kikita ka din po yun. Ganun po ito kaganda. Okay, hindi ka lang kikita dito, but you earn 11 times. Wow! Ganda, no? Alright. Retail commission. Ayan. Ganun po, naintindihan niyo po ba? Retail commission. Sa retail commission po, 50% po kung magkano po ang tubo, ano? From retail to members, ano, magkano tubo, 50-50 kayo ng company. Tapos generational din po yan, by level din po yan. Second level up to 10th levels din po yan. If you become member, mararamdaman mo din po ito. Alright? Tapos influencer bonus. Sa influencer bonus, pag naging influencer ka sa buong team mo, hindi po ito yung literal na maging vlogger ka para ka magka-influence. Hindi po. Naging influencer ka sa team mo, bumili sila ng product worth 2,500, bulto-bulto, so you have additional 10%, so you have 60%. So up to 100% po yan. Alright? Ayan, tapos itong customer acquisition bonus. So si customer acquisition bonus, so lahat po ng direct mo, first level mo, ano, lahat ng personal direct mo, once bumili po sila ng product, you have 10% sa kanilang order product, ano, na nabayaran nila. So 10% po yan. Generational din po yan up to 10 levels. So ang dami pong kitaan dito kay Live Good. At last, second to the last, the diamond bonus pool. Ito po ang pinaka inaasam-asam ng lahat, hinahataw ng lahat maging diamond. Why? Because 2% of the total sales of all members and product sales is divided equally among all diamond rank. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, kung magkano ang kikitain ng kumpanya, 2% po ay kukunin ipamimigay sa lahat ng diamond. For example, ang company kumita ng 20 million. 20 million times 0.02 is $400,000 US dollar. So, that 400,000, sabihin natin, we have 90 diamond ranks or 85 diamond ranks all over the world. Divide 85. So, bawat isa nakatanggap ng $4,705 US dollar. Times 57, okay, that is 268,000 pesos. So ito po ang literal. No, you have a commission, you have profit share from the company. So if you become diamond, sureball na 300,000. Nakita ko po ang post ni Mohit Tiaga. Okay, ang kinita niya is 6,500, pinost niya po 6,500 US dollar times. Ayan, yung kinita niya po is 370,000 pesos in Philippine peso. Ganun po dito, pag nag-diamond ka, sureball 300,000 ka, sureball ang 300,000 buwan-buwan. Alright, ganun po, lalo na pag nag-ground diamond ka, beside pa doon sa 2%, you have 5%, 0.5%. So kung 400,000, yung 400,000, that is 100,000, so dalawa sila, that is around 50,000. 50,000, if you times dyan in Philippine peso, that is 2.8 million. So nakita ko po ang kinita ni pinost po sa matching bonus ni Tim Miller, one of our Crown Diamond. Ang kinita niya is 54,000 sa Matching bonus pa lang po So ang kinita niya po is 3 million from matching bonus. Wow. Wala pa dun yung Crown Diamond bonus pool, wala pa dun yung Diamond bonus pool, wala pa dun yung weekly commission. 'Di ba? Ang lupit wala pa yung matrix commission, ang lupit. Kaya saan ka ba naman makakahanap ng kumpanyang ganito? 'Di ba? So, yung may mga tanong po, okay? Yung may mga tanong po, pwede po kayong magtanong mamaya po after my presentation kasi may time pa naman po tayo. 8:31 pa lang po ng gabi, 9 po dapat mag-i-end to. Okay? So, ini-explain ko lang sa inyo ng mabilis pero maunawaan nyo. Okay? Sana po naunawaan nyo. Alright, dito po yung mga kumita. Yan. Hindi pa po ito updated. Si Tim Miller, 900,000, 1 million na po yan. Marami pong kumikita dito. Isa na po ako doon. Alright. So, just imagine si Livegood, 1 million na po tayo in 1 year time. See you sana. Mayroon po itong basis. Hindi lang po ito gawa-gawa. 30 years na tayo, 1 year pa lang pero 1 million na. Ganun po kabilis ang growth ng Livegood. Alright, tapos we are just in the tip of the iceberg. Just imagine yung target natin in the year 2023, 1 million na hit po natin. Ang target natin, first 5 million subscriber all over the world. Just imagine, katiting lang po ito sa tao ng buong mundo. Ang tao po ng buong mundo is 8 billion. Katiting lang po ito. So, kailan ka sasabay pag 5 million na, 2 million, 20 million na? Habang bata pa po, habang bagong-bago ang kumpanya, sabayan mo na bago mapag-iwanan ka. Okay? Sumabay ka na kagad. Munang pagdudahan, sumubok ka na. Matagal ka nang nagdududa. Diba? Tanggalin mo ng duda mo. Matagal ka nang walang pera. Kailangan mo dagdagan ng pera mo. Diba? Sabi nga nila, may nagtanong sa akin, Coach, ano bang solusyon, Coach, para magkaroon ng pera? Ang problemang pera, ang solusyon pera din. Mag-invest ka, magnegosyo ka. Coach, nakakatakot, baka ma-scam po tayo. Paano mo malalaman pag di mo susubukan? You will never know unless you try. Di ba? Matagal ka nang wala. Walang mawawala na sa'yo. Di ba? Tama-tama. Kailangan mong subukan. Di ba? Tsaka ka ba susubok pag marami ng yumaman, marami ng kumita, napag-iwanan ka na. Habang maaga pa, sumubok ka na. Alright? So you have 4 reasons why you join in Livegood. Number 1, we just officially launch globally. Kasi simula pa lang natin. Number 2, we have high and very affordable health products. Number 3, we have marketing system tools and training. So gaya ng ginagawa natin, nagzo-zoom, nagti-training. So all in, nandito na lahat. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Ang gagawin mo lang, GPS lang. Get in, plug in, stay in. Sabay ka lang. Sabay ka sa agos. Alright? So number 4, simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. Wow! So ito ang tanong. Are you A, B, or C? Di ba? Alright. I want to become an affiliate member. I want to become a member. I want to become a retail customer. But if I were you, pipiliin ko ang A. I want to become an affiliate member. Alright. So pag nakapili ka na, get back to the person that invited you and let them know if you are A, B, or C. Wow. Alright. So thank you so much. Tapos na po tayo. God bless po everyone.